Apply this mask helps firm your skin and removes wrinkles on your face quickly. If you've tried every possible way to remove wrinkles on your face but still not achieve success, apply this mask right now and see the amazing change on your skin. This mask will help you remove wrinkles on your face and give you the skin with vitality, youthful at the age of 20s, even if your age is beyond 40. It is made with only 3 natural ingredients available in your kitchen. They are cheap and safe for your skin. After applying, they will firm your skin, remove wrinkles on your face, and give a youthful look. The first ingredient you need to prepare is an egg. Then crack this egg and separate egg white and egg yolk to 2 different bowls. For this recipe, you just need egg white. The egg white is high in protein and moisturizing power, which help to remove wrinkles and leave the skin renewed, firm, and smooth. Furthermore, applying egg white to the face also helps in minimizing the pores, which bring a smoother look on your skin. Now, whisk the egg white until slightly frothy. To further enhance the benefits of egg white to remove wrinkles, mix it with coconut oil. Coconut oil is a wonderful anti-aging moisturizer when applied topically. When applied on your skin, it absorbs into your skin and connective tissues, which help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by helping to keep your connective tissue strong and supple. It also exfoliates the outer layer of dead skin cells, making your skin smoother. Add half a teaspoon of coconut oil to the bowl that contains egg white. The next ingredient is lime. You can also use lemon if you don't have lime. Vitamin C is one of the most important ingredients found in limes and lemons. Vitamin C is of paramount importance to produce collagen. Without collagen, your skin will lose elasticity, sag, and appear wrinkles. In addition, lime and lemon help shrink your pores and brighten your face, resulting in smoother skin. Now, cut your lime and squeeze half a teaspoon of lime juice to the bowl. Use a spoon to mix everything well until you have a homogeneous mixture. Your remedy to firm your skin and remove wrinkles on your face is ready to use. Only apply this mask at night, as when exposed to the sun, lime can result in face spots. Here's how to use it. Firstly, wash your face with warm water to open up your pores and allow the beneficial nutrients of this mask to reach deep into pores. Then use your fingers, apply this mask and massage your face with your fingertips in a circular motion. After applying, leave the mask on your face for about 20 to 30 minutes. After this time, remove the mask and wash your face with warm water or chamomile tea. Repeat this procedure at least 4 times per week for best results. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipe and tips, subscribe to the channel.